Then let's talk about the reaction with water. Do all these elements react with water in the same way? Come on, let's see. Calcium, strontium and barium readily react with water, liberating hydrogen. Calcium reacts with two molecules of water to give calcium hydroxide and hydrogen. The chemical equation for this reaction is Ca plus 2H2O would give you CaOH twice and H2. Barium reacts with two molecules of water to give barium hydroxide and hydrogen. The chemical equation for this reaction is Ba plus 2H2O would give you BaOH twice and H2. Strontium reacts with two molecules of water to give you strontium hydroxide and hydrogen. The chemical equation for this reaction is Sr plus 2H2O would give you SrOH twice and H2. Magnesium, even though it does not react with normal water, it does react with hot water, liberating hydrogen. Mg plus 2H2O gives MgOH twice and hydrogen. In other words, it is magnesium which reacts with two molecules of water to give magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. Beryllium does not react even with hot water or steam. Well, hope you have understood the differences in the reactivity of alkaline earth metals with water. Now, these alkaline earth metals also react with oxygen. They actually burn in oxygen to form oxides. Let's do an experiment. Are you ready? Hey, what are these children doing in the lab? I think they are about to burn the magnesium ribbon. Wow, this burns with a bright flame. Magnesium ribbon burns in oxygen to form magnesium oxide. The white ash formed is magnesium oxide. Warning, do not stare at the flame while doing this experiment. It is very hot and dangerous. This has many applications in the industry. Magnesium oxide is used as one of the raw materials for making cement in the dry process plants, specifically the Portland cement. Magnesium oxide is used as an insulator in industrial cables and devices that exhibit the tunnel magnetoresistance effect. The crystalline pure form of magnesium oxide is used in infrared optics. Like that, magnesium oxide is also used in agriculture. Note that when you mix excess beryllium with oxygen, it does not react below 600 degrees Celsius. However, beryllium in the form of powder is more reactive. Now try barium with excess of oxygen. Let's see what happens. Barium in this case reacts with oxygen to form barium peroxide. Oxides of alkaline earth metals are basic and dissolve in water to form alkali. You have seen so far how these elements react with water and oxygen. Now let's see how these elements react with air. You all must be aware of firecrackers, and one of the alkaline earth metals has a major role in making of crackers. When magnesium comes in contact with air, it creates a lot of heat and emits dazzling light. Magnesium reacts with air to give you magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride, and a lot of heat and a lot of light. Basically, all alkaline earth metals burn in air to form oxides and nitrides. Calcium reacts with air to form calcium oxide and calcium nitride. Strontium reacts with air to form strontium oxide and strontium nitride. barium reacts with air to give barium oxide and barium nitride. Magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium oxides release OH minus ions when dissolved in water. For example, when barium oxide BaO is dissolved in water, oxide ions accept protons from water molecules. Look at this equation representing this. BaO plus H2O would give Ba2 plus and 2OH minus. Similarly, MgO plus H2O would give Mg2 plus 2OH minus. SrO plus H2O would give Sr2 plus and 2OH minus. Calcium oxide plus H2O would give Ca2 plus and 2OH minus. You saw the way the alkaline earth metals react with others. Let's see some more reactions of these metals. This time we take the reactions with hydrogens and halogens. Do you know that chlorine is a halogen? Reaction with hydrogen and chlorine. Let's see how the alkaline elements react with hydrogen. Magnesium reacts with hydrogen to give magnesium hydride. The chemical equation is Mg plus H2 would give MgH2. Calcium reacts with hydrogen to give calcium hydride. Ca plus H2 would give CH2. Strontium reacts with hydrogen to give strontium hydride. Sr plus H2 would give SrH2. Barium reacts with hydrogen to give barium hydride. Ba plus H2 would give BaH2. Except for beryllium, all others react with hydrogen to form hydrides. Beryllium hydride is very difficult to prepare and is unstable. It is, however, prepared by reducing beryllium chloride with lithium aluminium hydride. The chemical equation is 2 molecules of beryllium chloride plus lithium aluminium hydride gives 2BeH2, which is beryllium hydride, and LiCl, which is lithium chloride, and AlCl3, which is aluminium chloride. Except beryllium hydroxide, other hydrides easily get hydrolyzed in water and emit hydrogen. Magnesium hydride reacts with 2 molecules of water to give magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. The chemical equation is MgH2 plus 2H2O gives MgOH twice plus 2H2. Calcium hydride reacts with 2 molecules of water to give calcium hydroxide and 2 molecules of hydrogen. CaH2 plus 2H2O would give you CaOH twice plus 2H2. Strontium hydride reacts with 2 molecules of water to give strontium hydroxide and hydrogen. SrH2 plus 2H2O would give SrOH twice plus 2H2. Barium hydride reacts with 2 molecules of water to give barium hydroxide and 2 molecules of hydrogen. The chemical equation is BaH2 plus 2H2O gives BaOH twice plus 2H2. All the alkaline earth metals react with chlorine to form chlorides. While beryllium chloride is covalent, absorbs moisture and hydrolyzes with air, chlorides of other alkaline earth metals dissolve easily in water.